In today's video, I'll share 10 powerful tips to help reduce joint pain naturally. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Stay active. Regular low-impact exercise such as walking, swimming, or cycling can help keep your joints flexible and your muscles strong. Over time, this will help reduce stiffness and pain. Avoid high-impact activities that put a lot of stress on your joints, such as running or sports that involve lots of sudden movements. The key is consistency. Just 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference. And always warm up before exercising to prevent injuries. Tip number 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Extra weight puts more pressure on your joints, especially your knees, hips, and back. Losing even a few kilograms can significantly reduce joint pain and slow down joint damage. A balanced diet and regular exercise are the most effective ways to manage weight and protect your joints long term. Tip number 3. Anti-inflammatory foods help. Foods rich in omega-3 souths such as salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts help fight inflammation in the body, which can contribute to joint pain. Leafy greens, berries, turmeric, and olive oil also support joint health. On the other hand, processed foods, sugar, and refined carbs can trigger inflammation and make joint pain worse. So remember, food is medicine. Make smart choices daily to nourish your joints. Tip number 4. Use heat and cold therapy. Applying a warm compress or heating pad can help relax stiff joints and improve blood flow. Cold packs are great for reducing swelling and numbing sharp pain. Use each method for 15 to 20 minutes as needed. Always protect your skin with a cloth to avoid burns or frostbite. Tip number 5. Stretch every day. Daily stretching can improve flexibility and reduce joint stiffness. Gently move your joints through their full range of motion. Focus on the areas where you feel the most discomfort. Gentle yoga or mobility exercises can also enhance range of motion. Try stretching in the morning to loosen up or in the evening to relax your muscles before bed. Tip number 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps keep your joints lubricated and cushions your cartilage. Dehydration can make joint pain worse. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and more. If you're reactive or live in a hot climate, replace sugary drinks with water or herbal teas for extra health benefits. Tip number 7. Try natural supplements. Supplements such as glucosamine, chondroitin, turmeric, and omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to support joint health. However, always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you're on medication. Natural remedies can work well alongside lifestyle changes for long-term joint relief. Tip number 8. Improve your posture. Poor posture can lead to unnecessary strain on your joints, whether you're sitting, standing, or lying down. Maintaining proper alignment helps reduce joint stress. Use ergonomic chairs, stand up straight, and take breaks from sitting for too long. Good posture is a habit that can make a big difference. Tip number 9. Get quality sleep. Sleep is when your body heals and repairs itself, including your joints. Getting a good night's sleep helps reduce inflammation and pain sensitivity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest. Each night, create a calming bedtime routine. Limit screen time before bed and keep your bedroom cool and dark. Tip number 10. Don't ignore the pain. Pain is your body's way of signaling that something is wrong. If you have persistent or worsening joint pain, see a healthcare provider. Early diagnosis and treatment of arthritis or other joint issues can prevent further damage over time. I hope these tips help you find relief. Remember, you've got this. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and pain-free. Get your supplement today in the link below.